Hi, hello guys, how are you? This is your teacher. I hope you're doing great. So in this video, we're gonna review what we have seen so far from this book. Okay. So the review was present perfect, and remember that the form of this is what? Do you still remember? It is have or has plus past participle, right? That is the form, have or has. As a matter of fact, let me put it just like that. Have or has. Oops. Okay. So that should be the form. And remember that we use it, right? I don't know. I don't like that kind of green. So I guess I'm going to put this one. We use it to refer to an activity that happened in the past at an unspecified time, or maybe the real or specific time is not important. Okay, very good. So we have the examples, affirmative. For example, I have been to Cancun before, right? I have been to Cancun before. There we have it. In the case of she has been to Cancun before. So once again, it only changes to he and she, and so on and so forth. Negative, I haven't been to Cancun before, so on and so forth. And for questions, we just flip it, right? So, have you ever, we add ever, been to Cancun before, right? So we say, yes, I have, no, I haven't, right? So, just in case you're wondering, for questions, is what, let's say, what parts, for information, what parts of Mexico have you visited recently? So what parts of Mexico have you visited is recently? So as you can see, there is the have and there is the past participle. So in this case, we don't say yes I have, no I haven't. We say, we give the information. I have been to Merida recently, or visited Merida. I have visited Merida, for example. Okay, so once again, there you have it. I have visited Merida recently. Okay, so on and so forth. So then we have the present perfect continuous, which is gonna be the form. Once again, it is just what? Have or has, remember, have or has, plus been, that is fixed, plus verb plus ing. So what have you been doing recently? What have you been doing recently? Once again, there you have it, right? What have you been doing recently? I have been working a lot. So once again, I have been working a lot. In the case that we want to refer to third person singular, he, she, or it, what has she been doing recently, right? She has been working a lot recently, for example. So on and so forth. So as you can see, it's plain and simple. Now the other thing that we saw, it was the future perfect, right? In future perfect, what is the form, right? The form is will plus, let me see, have plus pp, right? Past participle, past participle. That is the future of future perfect. So we use it to refer. We use it to refer to an activity that happens in the future before another activity in the future. Kind of confusing, right? So anyway, so for example, I will have finished this video by the time I go to sleep. By the time I go to sleep today or tonight. Okay? So I will have finished I will have finished this video by the time I go to sleep tonight. So I will first finish the video and then I will go to sleep, right? Both activities happen in the future, but this one happens first. Okay? So by next December, you will have learned a lot of English. For example, a lot of English. So by next December, you will have learned a lot of English. So there you have it. So plain and simple.